The Taj Mahal is a mausoleum located in Agra, India. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal and is widely considered as one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. The Taj Mahal is made of white marble and is adorned with intricate carvings and inlaid with precious stones. The building is set within a large, beautifully landscaped garden and reflects the intricate and ornate style of Mughal architecture. Construction of the Taj Mahal began in 1632 and took approximately 22 years to complete, with thousands of skilled artisans and craftsmen working on the project. The Taj Mahal is considered one of the greatest examples of Mughal architecture, a style that combined elements of Persian, Indian, and Islamic design. The Taj Mahal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most visited tourist destinations in India. It attracts millions of visitors every year, who come to marvel at its beauty and admire the intricate details of its design. In recent years, there have been concerns about the impact of air pollution on the Taj Mahal, and steps have been taken to protect the monument and preserve it for future generations. In conclusion, the Taj Mahal is a true masterpiece of architectural and cultural heritage. It stands as a symbol of love, devotion, and the rich history of India. Whether you are an architectural enthusiast or just appreciate the beauty of history, the Taj Mahal is a must-visit destination.